Hey guys, Craig here again with another how-to video. Today we're going to talk about a product that I have just recently used, so I know it all too well. It is Snake Out. Snake Out is your snake deterrent. It is granular. It holds up in rain and sprinklers. This product is biodegradable. It's going to be safe around your pets. So if you have children, pets, don't worry about that. This is an all-natural product. Basically how this works, snakes taste the air with their tongue. So this puts out an unpleasant smell. It deters them away from an area. If you happen to sprinkle this in an area and there is a snake behind the enemy lines, they will cross to go back out. I should say my wife came across a snake in the garage the other day, so this has been applied all around our house now. Great product, holds up for about 2 to 3 months at a time, and safe for pets, as you can tell. This is Frank the Corgi, and sometimes you wish it would deter him, but it doesn't. So if you have any questions, get a hold of us at howtopest.com. Thank you.